Everyone. I'm going to go through week 5, day 2 in the CK online. So that you guys can understand this and go through it. I'm going to switch over. So go ahead. I'm on the Google Classroom. You might have to do that each time is to add it on. My internet's a little slow, so it just takes a little bit to load up. Now, again, I shared with you guys that this is an app, so you could go and download this onto your phone, and you can work on it via your phone. Say that you have a break at work, or you just have some downtime and you're tired of Tiger King, which I have not watched. I've watched very little bit TV, honestly. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys. And so I have the electron diagram right here. It's kind of the same way as a football play. When you look at the dot diagram and the valence electrons, they kind of coordinate how the element's going to work. Okay, so you can go read through this. One of the cool things on this is that there is a way to highlight, and it's not letting me, it's not liking me to do that right now. Don't worry about this because that's my classroom. So you just right click and okay, it says recall valence electrons of an atom are electrons located at the highest principal energy level. Valence electrons are primarily responsible for the chemical properties of the element. So I think that is actually pretty important. The number of valence can be determined in the below. So I have lithium 1s2, 1s2, 2s1, beryllium, and it keeps going on. So it goes through, and we spent some time, and group 1 has 1 valence electron, or 2, and it keeps going on. Remember that transition metals do not. Okay. All right. So if you look here, and this is what we focused on last week, this is just kind of a review so that you guys can see that. So group number, this is an example. So lithium, sodium, potassium are going to be Li1, K1, Na1, strontium, rubidium, all of those, okay, and so on. There's a quick video right here. But what's cool about this, and then since I've added you guys on to the classroom, that I can see your guys' progress via this really cool thing right here. And it's the preview. Now, I'm going to expect about 60% so that you guys can see it. Okay. Now, how many valence electrons does group 17 of elements possess? Well, you might need to get a periodic table out. Yeah, I have that. I can repost that as well. Well, I know that I go 1s1, 1s2, excuse me, 2s1, 2s, doesn't matter what energy level. So the s1, the s2, the p1, the p2, the p3, the p4, the p5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. I'm going to do one more. How does the number of valence electrons change as one moves up from top to bottom of any group? I'm going to pause it. I'll go ahead and add this onto your Google Classroom, this table. Now, a group is up and down, a period is side to side. So it's a column versus a row. Column, row. Okay. Now it's asking how it is as it goes down the group. So lithium has 1 valence electron, I can show there. And this goes through the Wikipedia. It's just a really cool site too, so you might want to play around with it. It has the 1. Now, if I keep looking, do you notice that 1 I can't move over? But there's the 2, 8, 8, 1, and it just keeps going down, right? It has the same. Now, if I went to oxygen, it would go, you see the 8, then scroll over and you see the 2 plus 6 equals 8, right? Well, look at that 6. And if I keep going down, you see that it still increases, but it's that 6, okay? So it basically means in carbon, you see that they have the 4, 4, 4, 4. It just keeps going down, 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 okay? So I'll make sure to add that to you guys. And it says, how does the number of valence electrons change as one moves from the top to bottom of any group? I'm going to go put this on any group, okay? Group, period, group, any group, and basically stays the same. I got that wrong earlier. Okay, so that's what you'll do. Now, if you look here on the side, that's really cool. It talks about proficiency, and I'm doing pretty good. Okay, expected. All right. I hope this works for you guys. Email me at skaufman@tps501.org or come to our Zoom meetings from 9:30 to 10:30 every weekday. Bye, guys.